Preview. 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 Preview.
Hey guys, Hello guys, welcome to Codotronics channel. Today we are going to learn more about blogging again. This is the part 2 of blogging. So last time I told you about the style command. So I saw that. So today we are going to do the part 2 of it. Now let's start. So main commands for blogging. So this was what we did last time. So I'm going to open it with the text folder. And actually the another thing is I changed the command and I went to the Google and searched for a time, and this was the command. Actually it's the style command should be always used in a paragraph thing, or like in a body. It should be always you. It's like a, it's not a tag. it's a it's a property in the tag. So it's not a tag. Okay, so please don't confuse with that. And the command is style equal to speech marks color colon, and what color we want, red. So semicolon, background color. The background color, we should have a hyphen between the background and color, and a colon, and blue, and semicolon, and the speech marks, and close it. And whatever I put in here, it will come. So this is the commands for it. So now I'm going to erase it. We do not need that now. Now what we are going to learn is, last time we learned the header, right? So there is also another thing in the header, that is we can also give more things like main and the ending, which is called footer and slash footer. Okay, so now it's normal. The header shows the text at the head as a heading, and the main shows as the main content of it, and the footer shows the ending of it. So let's I'm going to give a small example. I'm going to give header web, my web page. and the main I'm going to give. Hi guys. Okay, now I'm going to give the footer as the end. Okay, now let's see. Now I have saved it. So this is how it comes. But now when you see it, it does not look like a actual thing. Like it's just like a putting. It has put on a BR, but no. If we give more text in the main portion, it will change the thing. Okay, like if the main was like a big paragraph, then it will actually look like a header, main, and a footer. Okay, now this is this, and now I'm going to teach you the second thing, that is we can also put article, that is we can put more we can put articles in inside sections, and sections can be put anywhere. Okay, so I'm putting it here, and I'm going to insert some articles. I'm going to copy paste this, copy paste. I have done it 3 times, so now I can put something like hello, hi, welcome. Now I'm going to save it. So now it shows like this. This is the same like that, but if we put images inside that, it will be easy. That is, I'm going to put the image command source equal to, and close this, and I'm going to copy and paste this thing again and again. So the source is this 2020 15 11 58 46 46 dot jpg. Okay, now I'm going to copy this code, no, this source, and I pasted it. So we can, it's useful, the article command is useful because we need not use the css to arrange the like arrange the images in the correct order vertically. If we just use the article command, the images will be in the correct order. So this is one advantage of the article command. Okay, now the last thing we are going to learn is aside. First I will write this command so you will understand it. So if I write hi guys, okay, now I save it. Oh, wrong file. It shows as hi guys. The aside is a normal tag, but we can, it's like used for more like links. You understand that? Another thing is aside and nav. These we learned both. We learned the nav tag last time. So the nav. Oh, I actually wait guys. Now if I put aside hi guys slash aside, and nav is actually used for putting links inside it. Now I can put href equal to this thing and close and hi and slash a. Okay, and I'm going to give the href as audio example dot html. Now if I save it, it will look like this. So the aside tag is a normal tag. The hi, that thing is working. Okay, the aside tag is a normal tag like p, but we can, it's also like the article tag. If we put images inside it, it will show in a vertical order. So that is also an advantage of the aside tag. Okay, now that is all for today's video. If you like this video, please click the like button, subscribe button, and share it to others. And comment down below, make more videos for shoutouts in the next video. Okay, bye guys.